Hello everyone, welcome back to Zoonova. In this quick video, I'd like to introduce you to the new portfolio tool that uses the IEX real-time feed. And to use this new tool, you would need to register and simply enter the Stockwatch area. The window right here allows you to use various new tools with this live real-time feed. You can look at as sectors, different sectors of the market. With this pull down, you can also create different watches. This would not give you any P&L on your positions, but allow you to watch different ETFs and stocks that you might be interested in. When you do select whatever watch you've created, they will show up down here under Analytics right below the ETF benchmarks. The benchmarks are hard-coded. They're always going to show you these specific ETF benchmarks. If you want to edit any of these watches, you simply click on the edit button. You have 5 different custom watches you can set up, 30 securities in each watch. You could name them anything you want to name them, then simply put the symbols in and close and save. The query allows you to do queries from approximately 8,500 securities for all these different calculations that Zoonova does. Some of these calculations are also done by IEX. So if we were to query beta high, you would simply come down into the analytics window. You would see all the various securities. It will then highlight the column of whatever query that you're doing to show you the different betas and then the underlying securities over here on the left. For the portfolio tool, you come with a template already set up called Zoonova Temp. You would see those securities down here. This will allow you to keep track of how many shares you bought, what the price was, the trade value, the trade date, the current value, trade weight, which we calculate, current P&L for the day, as when you have the live feed actually running, your current P&L, and then all the different other metrics, ratios, statistics that are calculated on each position. On the entire portfolio here, you would also get a portfolio total up above here. It will show you your industry allocation. During the day when the market's actually running, it will show you what stocks are up, flat, down. And you will see portfolio totals here for all the different trade value, current value, P&L, dividends, dividend yields, and then of course all the statistical output for the portfolio for both risk and return. To create any new portfolios, simply hit the edit button. You would come in here. You would say create a new, this again is the template, just to show you how it's done. You'd simply say new portfolio, name it whatever you'd like to name it. Then you would put in the various symbols of the securities that you want to follow or that you have positions in. How many shares you bought or sold. Putting a negative sign in front of the shares will make it into a short position. The trade price and the trade date, and then any notes that you might have on that security. You simply save all after you're done with that, then close it, and you'll see test shows up here. I didn't put any securities in it, but you would save it, and it's simple as that. Now if I want to delete any portfolio, I could just say remove test, yes, close this, and I'm back to my original portfolio. So again, you can create as many of these portfolios as you would like. And you can also look at all the metrics either in the grid that are calculated for security specific output along here, and you can also look at the portfolio totals up in this window.